Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, open Instagram. Go to search option. Search Techmuster. Click on the first profile. Now go to my highlight. Here you will find different stickers. Tap on to get April dump sticker. Now tap on Add Yours option. Now click on Layout. You can choose different layouts. Choose according to you. Now go to Gallery and upload your photos. Now click on Circle. Now adjust sticker and place according to you. Now click on your story to upload your story. Now your story has been uploaded. You can check my all highlights for different stickers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.